Looking for a way to make your garden truly one of a kind? Let's talk about adding art to your outdoor space. Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about something fun, adding art to your garden. It's a great way to add some color, a bit of inspiration, and let your personality shine through. And when your garden's transitioning between seasons, like from fall into winter, your artistic additions will provide continued color and interest. So let's dive into some ideas and materials you can use to make your garden even more beautiful and unique. Hey, I'm Lorna, a University Extension Master Gardener of Greater Kansas City. Adding art to your garden is a great way to express who you are. It could bring to mind special memories or just make you smile every time you see it. Are you going for a formal look? Maybe something whimsical or meditative? Or do you just want to brighten things up with a splash of color? You can even create a whole theme around things that you love. Maybe it's turtles, flamingos, or your favorite color. Whatever speaks to you can find a place in your artistic garden. When you're adding art to your garden, there are a couple of things to think about. Pick a focal point. Where do you want the art to go? Maybe by the entrance to catch people's attention, or somewhere that helps divide the garden into different sections, like areas with certain plants or colors. Find your style. Do you have a theme in mind or a vibe you want to stick with? You might want everything to match, like going for all wood or all metal pieces to keep things looking cohesive. Think about color and how it works with your plants. You don't want the art to compete with the plants, but more like complement them. Maybe you've got a color theme going with your plants, an all-white garden that glows during an evening stroll. The right art can totally tie that together without stealing the show. When picking out art, think about the size of your garden. You might want the art to fit the space. It's all about getting the right scale and proportion so everything feels balanced. That said, feel free to throw the rules out the window. If you want your art to be big, bold, and the main event, go for it. No one's going to complain about a showstopper in your garden. Art should be visible, whether sitting on the patio or walking in the garden. And pay attention to how the sun or moonlight hits your art. It can create a whole new vibe at different times of day and night. Having just a few pieces of art can really stand out and look better sometimes than filling the garden with too much. Now, what does it take to create garden art? The best materials will stand up to the outdoors, but even those that wear out over time can turn into great art. Search your stash, peek in closets, garages, the basement. Thrift stores and garage sales can be gold mines, and you might find some discarded gems just waiting for a new life. And if you're a doer, think about giving your newfound art a fresh coat of paint. Hardware and craft stores have so many new paints and glues for use outdoors, and I love how they can really add some pops of color to your garden. Have you ever thought about using old bowling balls? They can make awesome garden globes. You can line a path, use them as a border for a flower bed, or even set them on a pedestal. They add a fun and quirky touch to your garden. It can be as simple as giving them a coat of glistening paint, or transforming them into something beautiful with some glitter or mosaic. Now seriously, also remember, anything can hold a plant if it has holes in the bottom. Old watering cans, barrels, pans, vases, you name it. These items can really add some fun and character to your garden. Grouping picture frames and placing them on a wall or hanging from a branch can create a cool focal point. Painting them all one color could give you a stunning, cohesive look that is really pretty eye-catching. And you could also get creative with mirrors. Try securing them to a fence or wall. They can reflect other parts of your garden. You can also use your art to add fun movement to your garden. Maybe you'd like a piece that sways in the breeze as it blows across your flower beds. These are just a few ideas that we're going to explore and learn about in our upcoming Art in the Garden videos. Keep an open and creative mindset when you're exploring options for your garden art. It could be something that stays the same or changes over time and with the seasons, which adds a fun twist to your space. We hope you enjoyed today's Tuesday tip. If you like our videos, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our next video. And until next time, we'll see you in the garden.